Hey, upper roof trusses. Cool. So we had this total assembly line thing going where we had all the 2x8s that were untouched. And we'd bring them up and mark the cut with our template, which is just, a truss that's cut right. And we would mark them out and cut them all. Mark them out, cut them, mark them, cut them, mark them, cut them. And we just created this huge pile. And then we threw them up to the upper roof where we then assembled them. So I was originally going to build my trusses with a collar tie along the bottom. And Dad saw how I overbuilt all my beams and thought it would be best to just use a gusset plate at the joint at the top of the truss. Wow, that was a lot of crazy words, huh? So we cut a bunch of plywood, just scrap plywood that I had, and we cut it into these arrow-shaped pieces, which we then glued and screwed heavily, like 12 screws each. We screwed the trusses together and glued them with construction adhesive. And we basically nailed a template to the floor so we could slide the trusses into it, glue it up, and screw it. And then we built our trusses and started just standing them up. As you can see, we put up the end gable first, and then just kept assembling, and we'd throw them up and assemble and throw them up. And I think we got most of them done in one day. So at this point, once we were finished putting all the trusses up, we had to attach the 2x6 soffit along the bottom. I don't know if that's called a soffit. I forget what that's called. 2x6 fascia. That's what it is. So yeah, the fascia is not normally a 2x6, but because all my trusses were sized for a 2x6, and I had a 2x6 lying around, and a 2x6 is way cheaper than a 1x6 fascia board, I was just like, I'm using a 2x6. I can't see a single reason why I shouldn't. So 2x6 fascia. Then we get up top, and we install all the strapping for the upper roof. So at this point, once the fascia board's done, we have to do barge rafters up top, which for this gable end, for the top part, we did Dad's method, which is just basically let the strapping and let the fascia board carry the weight of the roof out there. And honestly, I would stand on it. So yeah, ready for roof. Check it out.